Good afternoon, it's Dave here from Klong Kloi beach again. I have a feeling of deja vu today. We came here, it's the 22nd, Friday the 22nd of July today, and we came here around, I think it was the 5th or the 6th of July, and it's rained ever since. We had 2 days that wasn't raining, but it was overcast, but the rain has been unbelievable. So I went 2 weeks till yesterday, and I wanted to do a video, so I popped out with my camera, walked all along the beach. Overcast, cloudy, looks like it was threatening to rain all the time. I done what I could, and then I got up this morning, beautiful sunshine. So needless to say, I've deleted everything I done yesterday. I thought I'd give it another go today, but the rain here has been horrendous, and I really feel sorry for people who's come here for 2 or 3 week holiday. This is about the best day in the 2 weeks we've been here, where since about 8 o'clock this morning it's been nice and sunny. Well, this holiday there seems to be a few more people on the beach, a few more tourists. I don't mean this lady here looking for, I think it's shells or something she's looking for. But there's definitely more tourists walking around, and surprisingly there's a lot of people here from White Sands, and it's about a 30 or 40 minute drive. But all the businesses are getting some customers, not many, but a few. And the resort we're staying in, same resort, same room, Klong Kloi cottages, we're the only ones here again. Well, there's all the usual places open, plus a couple of additional ones. This is the Green Garden on the beach resort. That was open on Monday. There's one room I think they got for rent up above. And usual thing, food, beer, nice cold beer there. There's a couple of little places here that's not opened up yet. The next one is Klong Kloi cottages, where we stay. Still the same price from last year. I'm paying 8,000 baht for the month. Bit quiet, but they get a few people walking down the beach each day, pop in for a few drinks. The massage lady seems to be doing okay in the rain. She managed all the way through the COVID pandemic, surviving on just a few customers a day, and now she's got another person working with her. So it can't be bad, but she said today, with it being sunny, there's no customers. But when it's been raining, she's had plenty of customers, because people who've been staying in this area, there's nothing for them to do. So Adikap, no customers today, eh? Maybe later when the sun goes down. Okay, see you later. This restaurant is what was the Bamboo Hut, and it's now Mr. A Coffee. He had a little place on the road coming in here, but that's he's gone a little bit upmarket now, but got himself a bigger place. So it's a beautiful day today. Here's Mr. A. He's lucky to have a few customers today. So I'm going to continue walking down the beach now, and I'll see you later for a beer.
Love you long time.
Okay, bye-bye. This next one is Bang Bao Beach. Nice, nice chalets here. Somebody looks happy. Again, they got a few customers, not too many. But I took some photos here the other day for Google Photos. I put them on Google Street View, and the lady here bought me a beer. We're getting down towards the more expensive end now. There's only this one, and the next one is Shiva Puri, which they seem to be more like little houses than chalets. This is Shiva Puri Resort. As I say, you can see why you're paying the extra money. It's the only resort on the beach here that's got a swimming pool, which you'll see shortly. But these are like little villas compared to the other ones where we're staying. It's perfectly fine. It's just a normal chalet, double bed, bathroom, air conditioned. This suits us fine. And because we live in Thailand, it doesn't matter too much to me whether it rains for a week, a fortnight or the month. We're fortunate enough to be able to just extend our stay. But they got a nice nice pool here. It's only 20 meters from the sea, so it doesn't bother me. But some people are a bit wary about things that might bite you in the sea. Nice pool. Needless to say, nobody around it. There are two more resorts further down. Forest Beach is one and Koh Chang is another one. But I won't bother walking down there today because I don't think they're open. I won't quite go as far as the abandoned Lagoon resort as I done that last time. But I did fly my drone over there this morning, so I'll put that on the end of this video. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.